Welcome, gang of Spider. I am your host this evening as we take you on a journey on how to bake a delicious apple pie for your coming Thanksgiving. I'm here with my lovely wife.
Dude, I'm gonna smack the shit out of you, dude. I'm gonna smack you hard.
So, today, welcome to Cooking with Spidey and Robert, kinda, my wife. As you can see, we have our aprons.
I'm gonna go Amber.
Mr. and Miss. Hey, yo, free my boy Johnny Depp.
Yeah, Johnny's out. Let him free.
Anyways, Jackie's in the background too. If you know her, she's like, yeah. No, she's my girlfriend. She's chill sometimes. Hi. Anyways,
that's what she's
so
there.
We're gonna be showing you how to make an apple pie today. So first thing you're gonna want to do is get your ingredients. A whole load of apples. I don't know how many are in here because I buy them.
Lemon, one lemon. That's important.
Oats.
Quaker. Yeah,
Quaker oats.
That's me Quaker.
A lemon.
Pure ocean sea salt.
Caramel. Sugar.
And
flour.
Very brittle. Move out the way, bro.
What you want?
Move out the way. Very brittle.
It's not brittle. Is it brittle?
It's pretty brittle.
Anyways, so
I sifted through a lot of it to find that it wasn't.
We have this recipe that we're stealing from one of my mom's cookbooks.
Good job.
There it goes. So, anyways, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is remove the pot. No, we don't need to do that. We're step 2. Oh, preheat the oven to 375.
I got you.
Would you do that, madam? Thank you. 375.
I don't know how to do it to 375.
Jackie, wait, no, she's not allowed to help us.
Damn it.
How do we turn the oven up?
Wait, no. There's.
Is there an up button?
Start.
Hey!
Oh,
That's what I'm talking about. Me and my wife, we go nuts. Anyways, so we do need to cut ahead to the step that Robert pointed to. So,
yeah.
Oh, so first we're gonna need to do is actually cut the apples up. So you're gonna want to skin them,
long.
cut them up. Actually, no, Robert, because I recommend always having this in one of your kitchens. This
It
handy
doesn't
dandy.
peel them though.
We'll peel them. Me and Robert are gonna start peeling.
Cutting.
Do we have a peeler?
What you're gonna want to do is
Wash them first.
step.
Oh, wash the apples
Wash
first.
them.
We'll wash them as
You're gonna want to remove the stem part.
Do we actually need? No, you don't need to do that because you're not gonna use the core.
No, but you just want that out of there so it doesn't
No,
affect it.
that's your cutting board. That's my cutting board. You gotta peel it first, Rob. You gotta peel it first.
Do you?
Yeah. Why would you
need knives,
Peel
bro?
each slice into
You don't grab a knife. That's
It's gonna take the same amount of
You
time.
gotta get a peeler.
Oh, you actually have a peeler?
Yeah, peeler.
Oh.
Mom, do we have 2 peelers? I've actually made an apple pie before, and it was like a couple years ago.
I made the apple pie.
We did it together. We did. Yeah.
It's like we bake stuff all the time.
Yeah, so me and Robert are professional bakers. We have baked a cake, cookies.
I feel
brownies.
We might cut ahead to when all the apples are cut. And
Prep work is essential with this.
Maybe a little bit. And we're back!
Prep work was essential.
That took actually a kind of a long time.
A really
Hiking.
long time of cutting
So
apples.
we have our apples, and we need to measure it to make sure it is...
There's another plate over here.
7 to 8 cups.
7 to 8 cups. I don't have a 7 cups measurement.
Yeah.
7 cups. As in 1 cups.
No, you're doing this.
No.
I'm kind of thinking we should pour it into the pie crust as we, like 1 cup pour in. Oh, throw them into a large bowl with, okay, so what you're gonna want to do is throw it into a large bowl with the sugar, flour, salt, how much sugar? Oh, it says it on the other side, okay. Alright, so you want to take a large bowl out.
Now it's contaminated.
Robert, you touched all the apples.
So did you.
Yeah, but you're grimier.
I'm not grimy.
You're my wife. Come here, baby.
I feel like we haven't connected in a while.
I dropped an apple. See, that's okay.
That goes in the don't eat that part.
That's okay, because now you can just boop, boop.
Don't touch
Oh,
me.
it fell again, so now he gets to put it in my little pouch. See how that works? Okay,
Alright.
so we got 8 cups. So now, this is what it should be looking like. Once again, 8 cups. See? What are you doing?
Stop eating the apple.
We don't need to have the rest. We got a lot of apples. How many did you buy?
I bought like a pound or something.
So, get less than a pound. Does that sound good? Okay.
Half pounds.
So we have all the apples. So now what you're going to want to do...
all these we're not using?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I'll eat them.
So with sugar, how much sugar do we need? So you're going to want to get 1/2 cup of sugar. What? Abuse. Obtuse angles. We're gonna need to put the flour in. So half a cup of flour. Where's the flour? Whoa. Shing.
Anime characters.
So just pull out your flour. Okay, flour. Here we go.
Whoa!
That's a lot of flour. Okay.
Someone get the knife.
I need a knife. Now, as you can see, perfect cut. It's perfect, okay?
I
Beautiful.
like your cut, G.
No, 1/4 of a cup. I'm really happy I didn't pour that.
This is gonna taste amazing, guys. It's gonna be a little floury, a little thick.
Get the 1/4 cup out, damn it.
Oh my god.
No.
Just dump it up.
It won't come out.
Wait, I got you. Wait, I got you.
Oh,
Whoa.
I don't know where
And that's why we have the aprons, ladies and gentlemen.
He got it everywhere. So that's why you always want to wear an apron with your significant other. Wait, it says 1/3. No, that's right. Okay, 1/4 cup of flour. I'm really just want to make sure that.
Show them how much flour you have in yourself right now.
Okay, we need salt. Yeah. How much salt?
3/4 of a cup.
Whoa.
A salty one. It's
1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Wait. Wait, this was half a cup, right? Okay, I need 1/4 of a teaspoon. What is that little bit of salt gonna do? Absolutely nothing, guaranteed. Juice 1/2 of a lemon.
I got
Juice
you.
it?
I think we just.
Do we own a juicer? Can we squeeze it?
Just squeeze it.
Just squeeze.
Okay.
We need a knife, bigger knife.
No, Robert. I want to cut the lemon.
No, it smells.
Oh, that's like so crunchy and satisfying. I recommend cutting a lemon. Stop making an apple pie. Just cut a lemon. Okay, make sure you take the seeds out of your lemon in the future.
You can't take the seeds out of the lemon. They're actually in there.
You can just like poke them out, dude.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Look in the other
You
one.
got them out, obviously. Okay.
I didn't pick them out.
Okay, you squeezed them out. So squeeze out the seeds from your lemon before you squeeze it into the bowl. This is what it should look like. So now you want to stir them around. With what? I don't know.
I got it.
Grab a knife. Are we gonna have a whisk? Sure, I guess. Wow, look at that. Look at that shit.
Yeah, as you go, it's gonna start to look. Wait, no. It's gonna start to look more and more like this.
Start to look like that.
They're gonna start to look brown. That's okay.
To you.
Ah,
In a separate bowl, combine butter, flour. More flour?
a lot of flour.
More flour?
I don't know.
It says flour. Am I supposed to put another?
Separate bowl. We got that.
So you're gonna want to put this aside now.
Show what it's gotta look like. You gotta show what it's gotta look. All right.
No, I think I did it.
It's gotta look like this.
In a separate bowl, combine the butter.
What butter?
What butter? He said.
What butter?
We put the butter in the fridge.
There's butter in the fridge that you've obviously all.
You're gonna want unsalted. If you have salted, cry about it, okay? But you don't want it.
It's gonna be a little salty.
Oh, 3/4 of a cup, 1.5 sticks of butter.
Yep.
Put it in the bowl. So.
Then take your whole stick of butter. Easy to unravel.
So we got our butter, and now you're gonna want to get. You're gonna want flour. A 1/2 cup of flour.
If you know what it's like to go to school with him, you know this is what it's like all the time.
Okay. I'm always making pies in school. Yes. I always just in middle class I whip out a cookbook and start making apple pie.
Has all the ingredients in his bag.
Teacher start yelling at me. I'm like, what? You want some? And now you're gonna want brown sugar. We forgot to pull out the brown sugar, so just
Prep work again is essential.
make sure you grab.
Make sure you
brown
grab
sugar.
everything before you start the process of cooking the thing.
Pour it in. And lovely. And now you're gonna want
It's
to
the
put.
imperfections that make bacon.
This is what it should look like thus far. Okay, guys. So if you don't have a pastry blender, what you're gonna have to do
Is use your pastry blenders.
is use your pastry blenders. So just use your hands.
That's his mother that he's speaking to right
Oh,
now.
this is low-key kind of satisfying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crumbly and lumpy is what we're looking at. That's
Oh, that's literally what it is.
Yeah. What?
Crumbly and lumpy, would you say?
Yeah.
Add oats. It doesn't say how much of the oats. It just says add oats.
Well,
Yeah, no, it says it on the other page, you dum-dum. This is kind of a mess, but it's okay.
This video may not actually go out.
It will. Ooh, should I mix this with my hands again?
No. Then we have the pecans that I have to cut up.
It says add the oats. Add the pecans and stir with what? My hands again? Okay, so after you get I don't think I ever told anyone to get this, but you're gonna want a cup of, we got a little more than a cup. You're gonna want a cup of diced pecans. Robert's mad because I finished off a lemonade. So anyways, no. So you're gonna want.
He finished up. There was a half of a goddamn jug of lemonade. This man pours it time by time, just chugging it.
He's mad. Hello. So anyways, so you're gonna want to put your pecans and just stir it to combine it. And I decided I was gonna use this to stir it.
Wait.
No? Should I do it with my hands again? Stir until completely combined. You want this completely combined, bro. This is a disaster.
This is really bad.
Yes, it's pretty gross, guys. I would still recommend it if you're a better maker than us. So you've mixed it together. It probably shouldn't look anything like this.
That actually doesn't look too bad. It's bad, but it's not horrible.
Robert, what's in here?
That wasn't me. What are you talking about?
Oh no.
When the flour bag straps up. What the heck, guys? I bring you on to help me make a delicious apple pie.
And he pulls out his knife. Imagine we break the pie crust after all this shit.
Yeah, you would.
That's gonna be so nasty. Look at that.
So what you're gonna want to do is take your store-bought pie crust, because you don't make that, and take your apples and make a mound of it.
Stop it.
Should there be this much juice?
These
are very slimy. I don't know if they're supposed to, I'm lost at this point, guys.
This is so gross.
Just follow along and let me know how it goes, okay?
Oh no.
So now you have your mound, and now sprinkle. Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
This
Try
on
to
top.
sprinkle it. Try to
Mother,
sprinkle it.
give me this. Give it to me.
Robert's gonna.
You boy, this is what you gotta do. You're gonna take. Let me show the substance. You're gonna sprinkle this.
It's very
goddamn
gooey.
Oatmeal over it.
Let me do it.
So what we're gonna.
You don't want to touch this.
Why don't you try to add more flour to it?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Really? Try it. Okay, we're gonna try to add a little bit more flour to it. All right, that's it. I'm putting this crap on the apples. Ready? So now you're gonna put it on the apples.
Dude.
Ew.
Just
That's
put
gonna
it.
taste
It
so
looks like
bad.
It actually doesn't look that bad.
Looks like my cat's food.
It don't look that bad.
Oh, I'm gonna show this to you guys in a second. It's so
I
bad.
think they can kind of see it.
I am disgusted.
Actually, why is it? It doesn't look as bad as I thought it would.
No, it's. Oh.
It's worse than I thought.
So what you're gonna want it to look like at the end is something. Oh my god.
It does not look
Something
that bad.
It looks horrible.
No, it
Yeah,
doesn't.
it's pretty bad.
Oh.
I told you. I told you there was juice in it. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. We're back.
It's been a long ass time.
The pie is done.
We're
Okay?
playing knee hockey.
We have
Real
not
sweaty.
seen it. Obviously, we saw it before it was done. It was
Yeah.
kind of a
It was
disaster.
ugly.
I mean, like, it don't look that bad.
I
You
mean,
think it's getting a shot? Jackie.
it doesn't look.
Doesn't look bad. You think it looks bad?
It looks like stuffing.
It does look like stuffing.
Should it be just mushy?
That goes with the Thanksgiving theme.
Should we bake it for a little longer?
No,
I don't even know if
it's
that's
over.
gonna help.
Alright.
Baking 101, people.
Alright, we're gonna put it in for like 5 minutes. So
Woo!
5 minutes are up. It really doesn't look much different, but
It looks so much different, guys, to new pie.
so this is what your pie should look like.
If it looks like that, you messed up.
Oh god.
So we all have to try a slice. That's the deal we made with God.
I don't want it.
Jackie, you have
I
to.
thought it would look better than that.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
I didn't.
I thought it looked worse than this.
Yeah.
Now I don't want anyone to eat this all at once. Okay.
Nobody rush here. It's really hot.
Oh shoot, yeah. So the last step, put a little bit of caramel on. Should I just put it in the microwave in this?
Well, why don't you read the directions?
So now what we're doing is just pouring the caramel right on it.
Oh, and look at Jackie's suggestion worked.
Yeah, you kind of right. Whoa! All right, guys. Here we go.
I don't want to eat it.
I can't do this, bro.
Bro, it's so
Sure
Oh, dude, smell it. Smell it.
It's pretty good.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
She said it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, right?
What? Hold up. It's really floury.
I'm not a fan. Alright, guys, well, I don't like apple pie. I don't know why you made it. They said it doesn't taste bad. I'll take their word for it. Robert owes me $50. It really wasn't that bad.
It tastes almost cheesy.
No, it doesn't. Okay.
I just had a part that tasted cheesy.
If you... Maybe that was when I was mixing with my hands.
Oh, dude!
Alright, guys, well, if you made this pie by any stretch of anything, please, please, please DM me a picture of it on Instagram. I'll give you a shout out. But that's going to do it for this horrid video on how to make an apple pie. If you watch till the end, comment PP and I'll give you a shout out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I've been your friend, David Spider-Man. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become a Spider Gang, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.